Good morning, class 9. I hope you all are doing well and healthy, eating food properly, sleeping properly, and being with your parents and doing studies also and having a disciplined life, same routine. So, let's hope for the best, what's going to happen, and we are waiting for things to turn around. And I just want to say that keep safe and be home, do your studies as per your routine, which if you have made any, and get into that streamline. Please follow the website upload citing the download notes part. There'll be a lot of notes. I'll be posting it on every Fridays. You will get it, or in on Wednesdays and Fridays you'll be getting it. That's the time when I get to upload things. You'll get your notes. You'll get your solved questions. You'll get some MCQs, MCQ sheets for 9 and 10 for all classes. Basically from 5 to 10, I'm trying to do that. And just sit and solve them. It'll be an extra curricular activity for you to know your subject more better. So for English also I'll try and give you some, and for grammar and for SSCs obviously I'm going to go ahead and give it. So don't have to worry. And the guys who are studying, please do study. You will do well. Don't worry. But the people who are trying to avoid this time and trying to have fun only, please, this is the best time to get yourself ready. To pull your socks up and get ready for action. So that's what's going to be the best part of it. So we are on SSC again today, and that's the French, the Russian Revolution, which was happening in the part which I said. So the economic and the social changes during that time. An elementary theory of property believed by many peasants was that land should belong to those who work on it. At the same time, peasant life and culture was changing constantly. Change was by the physical movement of growing numbers of peasant villagers who migrated to and fro from industrial and urban environments, but also by the introduction of city culture into the village through material goods, the press, and the word of mouth. So you need more income when a culture is changing, materials are coming in, goods are coming in. We used to never wear Levi's. At some point of time only metropolitan cities had Levi's stores. Now in Muzaffarpur also we have Levi's stores. We have all brands in Muzaffarpur. At a point of time there was no brands here. At a point of time. So these things came in. Culture started coming in through press, through TV, through media, word of mouth, fashion came. Just an example. People from here, Bihar, go out to work. When they come back, they bring that some part of their culture, some goods from there, which try to change the environments. Now, workers also had a good reason for these revolutions and all. This all is according to this Russian revolution. What actually happened? We are going in the backdrop. I am in the backdrop. Overcrowded housing was there. If you go to Calcutta, Kolkata we see it, but Calcutta is always on my mouth. Old buildings you will see, they're going to fall off. The balcony is falling off. People are staying inside there. Partition also, in the between there is a partition. People are sleeping on the top. People are sleeping. All laborers. Still, one bathroom, 15 people. Dangerous. Sanitation. Sanitation is the main reason for disease. Any type of virus is from sanitation. Toilets, bathrooms. We should not even use someone else's soap. You don't know what's going to happen. long hours at work. On the eve of the war, a 10-hour work day, 6 days a week was the average, and many were working 11 to 12 hours a day by 1960. Constant risk of injury and death from poor safety and sanitary conditions, harsh discipline, not only rules and fines but foreman's fist, they were beaten up also. Foremans are in charge of the laborers. Suppose I am a foreman. I know to make, I have seen this because I was in the iron factory also, I was an assistant GM. Now, spiral rods, TMT bars, which we have rods while making the roof, those rods are going to be made from iron ore. It's going to become the piglets, ingots are going to come, ingots are going to be melted, then they come as strings, they'll be made. That has to be made. It's going to go through various systems, manufacturing. So, a foreman comes. I contact a foreman. Yes, sir, I have got a factory. I need a team who's going to deliver me every day 5 tons of iron TMT bars. This is the size, this is the diameter. 5 tons of 10 mm rods, 5 tons of 20 mm rods. This is my requirement every day. That is 10 tons. Please give me your rate. He says, I have got full staff with me. He's got, the foremans have the total team. From where to make, from beginning to last till it's not ready, they have the team. They are going to do the production. He says, okay, my monthly is as per tons, whatever the iron rate and all is there, he does that, and his salary with his people and all and his team. And he says 10 lakhs. He says 3 lakhs per month is my charges to make. Three lakhs per month is my charge for making 10 tons. That's 10 tons. Every day it's 10 tons, so it's 300 tons. A month, 300 tons I will make and give it to you according to your quality. This will be the demurrage charges. Wastage might be there, which again gets melted. So iron gets not wasted. So 3 lakhs per month, I will give you so much of tons. Okay, deal final. Now he gets that 3 lakhs. Foreman. He pays his labours and all. 1 lakh. Within 1 lakh he solves his problem. 2 lakhs he keeps for himself. He is doing nothing. He only sits and, hey, come on, do this, do that. This quality is not going to do this properly. You are not doing properly. 1 slap. You get out. No money for you. But that guy has worked for 6 months. Oh, you are going to go home after 6 months. No? You cannot go home now. So he will not pay him. So they won't be able to go. Food he is going to give every day. They have their own cooking and all, everything arrangement they have. So this is what it is. Domination. Also in factories, 2 bathrooms, 100 people, workers. Oh my God, that's so dangerous. At the same time, they were not getting their wages also, as I said just now by the example. Made worse. After 1914, steep wartime increases in the cost of living. As days goes by, cost of living also increases, right? You have seen that. Last year or 2 years back, what a burger used to cost is much more expensive. I buy potatoes for 34 rupees at one place, and the fellow selling on the cart, he goes on that rickshaw van and he sells it for 30 rupees. I said 4 rupees difference from this road to that road. People are charging like hell. That is bad. So, what will we do? It's in the system. Cost of living increases. At the same time, I'll come back in the next video. Actually, I'll come back and explain in the next video.